Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks. Now today we're going over the Nike Dunk Low in the University of Nevada, Las Vegas colorway. Now before we get into the shoes, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. While the original pair released as a dunk high within the Nike's Be True to Your School pack in 1985, the UNLV colorway will be returning in 2021 as a low top version. Dressed in the familiar soft gray, university red, and white color scheme, the Nike Dunk Low presents the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, featuring a gray-based upper with red leather overlays, red tongue branding, gray Nike heels atop a white midsole, and red rubber outsole completes the design. Look for the Nike Dunk Low UNLV to release January 14th at select Nike retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100 US. Now, I will leave places to cop this shoe in the description below, so check that out. There's places dropping the shoe with times, dates, links, as well as places to enter raffles. Now, I will also go into resale, but before we do that, let's just look over this colorway. Again, this is a University of Nevada, Las Vegas color scheme, so they're using their colors. And like I said earlier, this is based off the high version that dropped in 1985. So they're just throwing it into a low top version. One thing I really like about these college colorways is that they're very simple. You know, for the most part, it's a two-tone type of color scheme. So you got the underlay that's one color, and then the outerlay that's a different color. And they usually just go along with the colors of the school. So with this one, you have gray underlays with red outerlays. Your tongue is also gray. You got the Nike logo up at the top of the tongue. It does come with these red laces. I think you could throw white laces on here or gray laces. That would look good too. Possibly even black. I don't think black would hurt this colorway at all. So, you know, a few different options with this colorway. Now you do have a red lining, gray insole with the Nike logo in orange. You have a white midsole and solid red outsole. So the Nike Dunk Low, great materials, low retail price. You just can't go wrong. Now that we've quickly gone over the colorway, let's get into resale. Again, the shoe did retail at $100 US, and I see a lot of potential with this shoe as far as resale. The way I've always looked at reselling is taking the shoes, making a profit off of it, and then because of that profit, you're able to take that and put it into your own collection. So in a way, it's like you're doing very simple work to get free shoes. So I can see this shoe right after release date going for around that $250 price range, give or take 50 bucks. You're wondering whether to hold or sell. I think you should hold on to this shoe. 6 months to a year from now, I would not be surprised if this shoe is at 300 plus. What are your resale predictions? Let me know all that good stuff. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once.